We've done a few multi-step equations already, but now let's do one with fractions. Nobody likes fractions, so let's find a way to make this as simple as possible. When I look at this, I see there's only one fraction in the whole question, which is nice. I could leave it as is and then distribute that 1/2 into the parentheses and solve it like I've done the last couple. But if you want, we can just clear the fractions completely. That way we're only working with integers and nice pretty numbers as we're trying to solve this. So anytime you're trying to clear a fraction, what you're going to do is look at the denominator of that fraction. And then we're just going to multiply by whatever that denominator is. So in this fraction here, the 1/2, the denominator is 2. So if I want to undo that fraction, I need to multiply by 2. So what I would need to do to clear that fraction is just take this and multiply by 2. Technically, this is 2 over 1, and I've got a 2 on the top and a 2 on the bottom that are going to cancel each other out. But the catch is that you can't just multiply a random part of your equation by a random number. We have to multiply everything in your equation. So I'm going to multiply the entire left side by 2, and I multiply the entire right side by 2. So that 2 gets distributed to everything in the whole equation. Now, when you're talking about parentheses, notice there's that piece right here with parentheses. We only need to multiply whatever's in the front of the parentheses. So when I go distribute that 2, I'm going to go to the 3x, and that gives me 6x. And I go to the negative 1/2. Now that's the number in front of the parentheses. So all of that is going to kind of stay together. I'm multiplying the negative 1/2 times x plus 9 by 2. I only need to multiply that number in front by 2. So this becomes 6x minus, my 2's are going to reduce each other down. So I have 1 times x plus 9. And the fraction's gone. No more fraction. On the right-hand side, I have to multiply. Negative 17 times 2 gives me negative 34. Now I solve just like I have the last few. I distribute my negative 1. We combine our like terms. And now I start using my inverse properties to isolate the variable. So there you have it, x equals negative 5. So if you have fractions, you can keep them in your equation, or if you prefer, you can do something like this, multiply everything by the denominator and watch your fractions go away. Things get just a little bit easier that way. So I hope that helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.